So the dishwasher is caught in an endless cycle of taking the little tiny bits of water from the bottom of the pan and then pumping it back through, and then it comes out here at this port here and then goes right back into the pan, which triggers the switch, which causes the pump to go and you dump right back in there, and so on and so forth. So that's fun. Don't think it's leaking. I think it's just stuck. But hopefully this will fix it. The cold does really strange things to pipes. I don't even think we've got a blockage. I mean, everything's, I don't see any leak anywhere. Certainly no leaks under the dishwasher. But, man, yeah. Having water problems would not be a good thing right now. So, in addition to having the dishwasher not working, turn it off here. One of the valves underneath the sink is also slightly dripping. Fun times.